so excited for my new Apple Watch. This is the SE and it just came, so I figured let's unbox it together. Fun fact, the one I'm wearing, I went on Apple to see if there was any trade-in value and it said it's so old, just donate it. And then it ended up getting a huge crack in it, so now I can't even use my touch screen. So I don't even think I can donate it anymore. Okay, that said, I've been in need of a new Apple Watch. So let's do it. So it comes with 2 pieces. There's my band. It's good that they have all the security measures. That way you know you're not getting an open box one or anything sketchy. There's the top part, the charging cable. Is she lovely? So pretty. And then you do the same on the other side. All right. Oh, there it goes, turning on. And of course, if you don't like the band yours comes with, you can swap out different bands. I think I own no less than 5 or 6 different bands already, so I might swap mine out. And now it's just getting to the point where I get to set it up. So that was super easy. You'll be set up and ready to go in a matter of minutes. And I'm so excited for my new one. You just bring your cell phone close to it and the whole process begins. It's really intuitive. I did have to update my iPhone to the latest version, so it did take a little bit extra time, but it was really easy to set it all up. Bye-bye old Apple Watch. Hello, new one. So excited.